Hello viewers, a lot of users have actually bought Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE from Amazon.in at rupees 19,999 rupees, but they are looking for the best covers and glass. So in this video I will suggest you glass and back cover that you can buy for your Tab S9 FE. The first back cover or flip cover that you can buy is Robustrian cover for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. It cost actually 549 rupees and this is a very good cover. You can see that this cover gives you very magnetic grip, so it will be very good protective for your tablet. Plus it has auto sleep and wake mode, and it has heat dissipation faster chamber. That means it has honeycomb cell design, so it is very good for your tablet. The next cover that you can buy is Pro Elite cover for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. The price of this cover is 529 rupees, and in this cover also you will get sleep and wake function. Plus it has magnetic grip and there is a secure holder for your S Pen. If you want to buy a tempered glass for your Tab S9 FE, in that case you can buy Texil tempered glass screen protector for your tablet, or you can buy Robustrian tempered glass protector for your screen. The price of Texil tempered glass is about 599 rupees, whereas the price of Robustrian tempered glass is about 499 rupees. So both of these screen protectors or glass are better for the protection of your display of Tab S9 FE. If you want to use your tablet for long term, I would suggest you to invest in covers and also glass so that your tablet remains safe from scratch and drop. So these are some best products that you can buy for your Tab S9 FE. If you want to know anything more, you can ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. And if you want to know about the note taking experience of Tab S9 FE or S9 FE Plus, actually there are many videos in the description or in the channel. You can check out those videos for a better note taking experience. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.